Is your internet lagging on Windows 11? Let's test your speed right now. Hi everyone, I'm passionate about tech, and today I'm showing you how to check your internet speed in just a few clicks, perfect for troubleshooting slow downloads, buffering, or gaming lag. Let's get started and see how fast your internet really is. First, let's open a browser to run the speed test. Launch your web browser. I'll use Microsoft Edge for this example, but Chrome or Firefox work just as well. In the address bar at the top, type speedtest.net and press enter to load the website. Once the page loads, you'll see a large Go button in the center of the screen. Click it to start the test. The test will take about 30 seconds to complete. It'll first measure your download speed, which is how fast data comes to your device, then your upload speed, which is how fast you send data, and finally your ping, which measures latency and is crucial for gaming or video calls. When it's done, you'll see your results in megabits per second or Mbps, showing you exactly how your connection is performing. For most homes, a good download speed is around 50 to 100 megabits per second, but this depends on your internet plan. If your speed is much lower than expected, let's troubleshoot to improve it. First, restart your router by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and wait for it to fully restart. Once it's back online, run the speed test again to see if there's an improvement. Another step check: how many devices are connected to your network. If someone's streaming 4K video or downloading large files, it can slow your speed down. Disconnect unnecessary devices or pause their activity and test again to see the difference. Here's a tip: run the speed test at different times of the day because speeds can vary due to network congestion, especially during peak hours like evenings. Also, if you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router to improve signal strength, or consider a Wi-Fi extender if your signal is weak. If your speed is still low after these steps, contact your internet provider. They might need to check for issues on their end. Keeping an eye on your internet speed ensures you're getting what you pay for, whether you're streaming, gaming, or working. That's it for today's tutorial. We've checked your internet speed and learned how to troubleshoot slow connections. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more practical tech tips. Comment your speed below. I'd love to know your results. See you next time.